Green board, and let's see here. Like I said, I know there's a fan somewhere here in here, and we're gonna get to it. Let's see what's in these hidden compartments. Okay, nothing special here. I don't know why they had this little compartment here. Give me access to the cable, which and then should lead me to the fan. Go. And like I thought, nice little fan. Fans, I usually cut the wires and put them with my copper bearing motors. There we go. So what I have right now is a bunch of garbage that I'm going to throw out. We got low-grade board, so it's about 4 ounces. So we're talking about pennies. Usually I get, I think they're like 15 cents or something like that on board sort. We got the aluminum, which is about 4 ounces. And I usually get around 60 cents, so this would be 60, about 15 cents right here. So we're up to about 30 cents of scrap. And we have the copper bearing motors. Okay, which is about 6 ounces. And I usually get about 18 cents a pound, which again is not much in this case, which is probably another 5 cents or so. So actually now we're about 30-cent mark. Then we have the wire scrap. I had this hunk of wire that was part of it that I cut off.